All right, so here what we're doing is the car hasn't been started in a month. We pushed the thing out to do our test here, and we're just going to show you what the voltage actually is across the battery right now before we do anything. You can see we got 12.74 volts, which is almost a perfect charge, just a little bit shy. All right, now we're gonna crank it over. Go ahead, Offer. All right, we got the secondary ground harness installed, and we're gonna see how it sounds. You guys heard it the first time how slow it was to start, so let's see what she does now.